guys, welcome back to Shopaholic Adventures, and in today's video we are sharing a tutorial on how to create these colorful nail art, for which I'm going to use these nail paints from Nykaa. I prefer Nykaa because these are all matte, they are very quick in drying and they are super affordable and long lasting, and also they have a huge variety of colors. So I have picked up Nykaa. You can pick up any nail paint of your choice. Now this nail art is super trending nowadays and can be worn with any kind of outfit and any color. So let's not waste more time and get into the tutorial. It is super easy and I'm sure you guys will love it. So let's start by painting the base shade on the nails, and the base shade that I picked up is ivory white, and I picked up ivory white because it accentuates and brightens the other shades in the nail art. So once your base shade dries, pick up the shade which you want to apply on the tip and make it a slanted tip like I have done, or make it like a triangle with a 90-degree angle. So you can see how I've done it, and the color looks really bright and beautiful. So the same way you have to do all the other shades, and I have picked up all neon matte shades from Nykaa because they are super bright, they are very quick in drying, and they are super affordable and long lasting. So you guys can see how it looks, and if at all it messes up a little and your lines are not very clean, it's okay, just don't worry about it, because we are going to define them with a silver color. So just don't worry about it too much. Now I picked up the silver color. You can pick up any color of your choice. You can go for black, gold, or whatever color you like, and draw a line on the borders of the color you have added, or on the border of the triangle, using a very thin brush. You can also use your a dried up eyeliners brush as well to make this thin line, and this basically adds a beautiful shine and a defined look to your nails. And voila, the nail art is done, and it gives a beautiful look to your nails and looks really beautiful.